Greetings folks, in this video we're going to show you how to depressurize a soft chamber. Once again, this is for demonstration only. Remember, in order for you to depressurize the chamber without causing any pressure in your eustachian tube or discomfort or pain, you must take 5 minutes at minimum to depressurize. Now that we've got that out of the way, here is how you depressurize the chamber. Once your session is complete, what you want to do, you want to release this valve. Once again, this is for demonstration purposes only. You should take a minimum of 5 minutes, but for this video only, we're going to show you the depressurization just for a quick hint. So here you go. You release the valve and make sure that the valve gauge reads 0. It is very important that if the gauge doesn't read 0, you should never open up the zipper. So now we can clearly see that the valve is reading 0. Hence, it gives us the idea that it is safe to open up the zipper system. This is a multi-zipper system, as you know. In order to open the zipper, all you do is, there it goes, as simple as that. And then next, the main zipper. And that's right here. Just grab the pulley, and here you go. It is as simple as that. And now you're safe to step out of the session. If you have any further question, please give us a call. Thank you.